Let's begin by connecting with our breath. Take a deep inhale within the nose and release an exhale through the mouth. And again, in through the nose and release, exhale through the mouth. We'll continue like this for 7 more breaths. With each exhale, feel your tension releasing and feel yourself softening and opening. Feel all excess tension and holding carried out with each exhale. Feel yourself empty and open with each exhale, letting go of whatever you don't need. And feel your outward tension moving inward. And with your next exhale, let go of the breath and continue to follow your breath on the inhale and exhale. Your breath becoming deeper, longer, and slower. And on the next inhale, follow your breath on the tips of your toes all the way to the crown of your head. And on the exhale, follow from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. Exhale from the top of your head down to the tips of your toes. And follow with your breath. And notice the subtle energies within your body. Do you feel tension? Do you feel stress? Where does it lie within your body? Where are you holding something that you can let go of? As you follow your breath, notice where the tension is that you're holding. Continue to follow your breath, inhaling from the tips of your toes all the way to the crown of your head, and exhale from the crown of your head to the tips of your toes. And with each exhale, release the tension, worry, and stress. Feel your heart opening. Feel your mind becoming clear. And on the next inhale, follow your breath from your toes to the top of your head. And on your exhale, follow your breath from the top of your head all the way to the tips of your toes. And follow it all the way back down. Breathe deep and feel that you're connected from below to above. Feel the freedom of the breath as it flows through you. And exhale and relax.